Good morning, everyone. It is about 20 after 9. We have slowed down to take a half-hour break. Across the way is a tractor museum here in Kimball, South Dakota. If anybody was into that kind of type of thing, all the different farm equipment, steam, all kinds of different stuff over there in old buildings that they probably house all kinds of different stuff next to the church and all that. So, but we are here at the Lovely Loves in Kimball, South Dakota. This one's brand new. I don't even think it's a year old. I'm not taking any chances. I made up my own canteens with my own nutty pod in it. So we're gonna head in and we're gonna go see what we see. I'll get back with you. Well, good morning. I'm back. Yeah, they had creamer, but nonetheless, I'm not taking no chances. But just wanted to say Happy Easter, everybody. Kind of hard to video while I was holding my coffee mug and my canteen. So just that. We will go about another, this isn't a fuel stop, but I do have another fuel stop set up here in another couple hundred miles, about another 218 miles. We're going to stop at the Box Elder Loves just outside of Rapid City, the air base out there. Looks like when we're going through Chamberlain, crossing the Missouri River, we're gonna have ourselves a little bit of a snow event. I don't know how bad it's gonna be. It doesn't look like it's a very wide band, but it doesn't need to be a very wide band to make it interesting. So, but it is Sunday, it is Easter, and as usual, I'm on the road. So we're about 20 minutes into my break. Get back on the road here in about 10. We'll just see what we see. Hopefully everybody's having a good Sunday morning Easter brunch, breakfast, possibly being able to get into a church somewhere, just get our minds right. I did that yesterday. It was wonderful to be able to get to church yesterday, visit with some friends, and just feel, I almost hate to say this, but almost feel human, you know, seeing how I'm out here and about so much. It's just nice to visit with people that aren't in transit like I am all the time. So yeah, and also I didn't video because it is absolutely windy again. We have got crosswinds. This time it's coming out of the south, blowing up at me. So let me flip you around. You might be able to see some stuff floating across the parking lot. Not sure yet. So, but yeah, debris is flying across the parking lot. So there's little chunks of grass, and yeah, it's blowing. It's a windy one. We looked at those little flags, but yeah, they gave a high wind warning on the sign. So all right, guys, well, I'm gonna let you go, finish the break, let you look at a few tractors here. The windmill's not turning, but that's okay. So, all right, guys, love you, and as always, I'll get back to you. Missouri River, Chamberlain, South Dakota. Yeah, we got a little sprinkle on the windshield, but I'm living with that. As long as it's not snowing, I'm good. I'm all good. Up here on the right, we'll have a, I believe it's a bison buffalo statue. Same thing, buffalo and bison. Got a mostly cloudy. That's where we just came from. And yeah, we are still getting rocked around in the, well, if you look at the bison and you look at the flag to the top of it, there we go. It's blowing straight out. You little bison. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. In the off season. Not a very big town, but one time a year. Sturgis Brewing Company. I've actually never been here during the peak season when they have the bike rally up here. But we're just plowing right through here. The winds are still horrific. Absolutely crazy. So, but yeah, this is Sturgis, South Dakota, where they have the largest bike rally. I believe it's the largest. Or if it isn't, it should. Yep. Right there on the side of the hill. Sturgis. About 8 miles or so from getting off of Interstate 90, jumping on, I believe it's 34 that cuts across up towards Belle Fourche. So, yeah, that's the goal. 735 miles into our day. We're a lot shorter. Probably won't make it to our Lynn, Washington, maybe Spokane. So makes Tuesday a long day. But yeah, they ended up getting more snow up there. Another 3.5 or so inches on top of all the snow they got up there in Montana or in North Dakota. So yeah, just saying. All right, guys. On that, I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, we are done for the day, guys. Yep, we're in the middle of Edgemere Corner. We're good. We're in Broadus, Montana. Yeah, we're in Broadus. It's a little windy still. A lot of windy. Hopefully everybody had a good Easter. Not too bad. We got a little bit of snow here. This is when I parked here. We're right on the edge. But there was no parking, so you do what you gotta do, they come right through. That's not parking. Well, if they make it parking, well then that'll be bad on them. So, but we're done for the day. All in all, other than the high winds, actually that was bad. But all in all, a good day though, even though we had high winds. But we're done for the day. We'll get back on the road around 2 in the morning. We'll get where we can. I don't think I can make it to Lynn. I believe I will be sitting at possibly the rest stop or Spokane. Not exactly sure. So let me flip this around, see if we can see this. There's some antelope straight out in front of me. And yeah, those are wild antelope. Welcome to Montana. This Brutus. If you find 212 north out of, I'm going to get back in the truck. These winds, kind of tired of these winds. So, besides, I got to get dinner cooking. I haven't even got my dinner going yet, guys. All right, well, we're done. On that, guys, God bless. Happy Easter. And welcome to another episode of Steel Horse Travels. Yeah, that is way cool. That's a whole herd of them. This is a way station, rest stop, all that. So I've eaten antelope, pretty good, not too shabby. Well, they're taking off, so, except for the buck. Okay, now he's gonna follow. All right, guys, on that, I'm out. Happy Easter.